I'm Sadia Jafrin. I'm working with a vision of reforming the education sector of Bangladesh. From a very young age, I have been pursuing my dream to prepare every child with proper and inclusive education. Later on, completing my pharmacy graduation from Jahangirnagar University, I joined as a fellow in Teach for Bangladesh. As a part of this fellowship, I had the physical experience of teaching in a government primary school for 2 years. There, I taught the underprivileged students of a rural area. Instead of having a lucrative office job life every morning, I moved out to teach a bunch of underprivileged children who waits for me in a school itself is a weather-beaten building whose walls haven't got a coat of paint in years and running without electricity. After completing my 2 years of fellowship, I and my partner Amina Azad established a volunteer organization named Grow Your Reader. With a concrete vision, one day all children in Bangladesh will have access to the proper creative learning environment which will build their innate reader to become a leader. As a part of the overall mission, we have installed 28 library stations across the country, having 10,000 books with 8,500 active readers. The stations that we have installed in 28 different communities having 5 to 6 members in each family. So far, around 50,000 people have been positively impacted by our project. There was a survey done by Daily Star, one of the most leading daily in Bangladesh, which demonstrates clearly that among these 8,500 students, 67% were in early emergent stage of reading. After implementing the curriculum of Grow Your Reader, the rate has lowered down to 4% within only 8 months. As a result, Grow Your Reader has created some solid impact and improved more than 63% of students' reading skills. Grow Your Reader, founded in 2016, have started own online operations meanwhile in the COVID-19 time to ensure the continuation of students' learning. Already, we have more than 1,000 YouTube subscribers. These active subscribers who have viewed more than 30,000 times of our videos like online classes, storytelling, childhood mental health tips, reading secrets, strategy. Our Facebook page follower number is increasing day by day, and all of them are active users where they participated in the Facebook live classes. We have initiated e-library too so that the children can read and download books without any subscription fees. The COVID-19 pandemic has created the largest disruption of education system in history, affecting nearly 1.6 billion learners in more than 190 countries and all continents. 23.8 million additional children and youth may drop out or not have access to school this year due to the pandemic economic aspects alone unless we do anything. Though we have physical libraries in 28 schools, but due to the COVID-19 situation, all the schools are remaining closed. So the students can't have access to these libraries at all. Unfortunately, the children from very low-income families can join our online classes, YouTube channel and online library due to unavailability of internet and earnings. So, we have come up with a very new fresh idea named WOW, Wheels of Wisdom. In Bengali, we can call it Gyaner Gari, which will be a 3-wheeler street van carrying lots of storybooks. The librarian will drive the van to the under-resourced community twice or thrice in a week for a certain period of time, so that the children will be able to read the books and return this at the same time. For implementing this idea, to build resilient education system, we need a worthy amount of money as Grow Your Reader alone can't afford that much right now. So, we are inviting you all to be a part of this crucial initiation for a great reason of positive change in society, where no children will discontinue their learning, no children will be out of reach. We believe if we can provide them the tools to grow their reader, they will become the leaders of their family, of our society, and our country in near future. And thus, we can lower the chances of dropout of so many dreams and hopes. Let there be more lights for a better tomorrow. Thank you.